Hello lovelies, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thanks for subscribing, and if today is your first time of coming across this channel, you are highly welcome. Please do so good to click on that red subscribe button below this video to subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos. All right, I think this is my second time I can remember vividly of showing my face on camera on this channel. Yes, I especially want to thank every one of you for 2019, for subscribing to this channel, for liking my content, for sharing my content, basically for everything. And if you joined this channel this year, you are highly welcome to the family. I love you guys so much, and we are hoping for a greater and better 2020. So in today's video, from the title, you could tell the recipe we want to prepare. We want to prepare ofora. Some people call it ofora. Some people call it ofoha. So this soup is originated from the eastern part of Nigeria. People from Anambra State call it ofora. I think so. Why people from Imo State? Because I'm from Imo State, so I'm sure we call it ofoha. So this is a delicious soup, not just enjoyed by the people of the eastern part of Nigeria, it's also enjoyed by people that are not from the eastern part of Nigeria. That is to tell you how unique this soup is. So if you want to know how I prepare this delicious ofoha, if you want to know the ingredients I used, continue watching and make sure you watch this video to the end, and don't forget to like and as well subscribe to this channel. Thank you guys. So let's delve into the preparation. So here are the ingredients we'll be using. Here I have smoked fish. I've already washed the smoked fish and also deboned it, so make sure you wash and debone your fish. This is salt. This is the thickener I'll be using. You can also use cocoyam. This is called ofo in Igbo dialect. This is palm oil. Periwinkle, also known as isam. This is the pomo I'll be using. I've washed it. Crayfish, I'll be grinding this crayfish. And this is ogiri, a natural flavoring that is very nice in oha soup. It gives oha soup a good flavor. Here I have pepper, onion and seasoning cube. The pepper, I'll be grinding it together with the crayfish I showed you guys earlier. This is beef and shaki or tripe. So I've already washed it, and this is uziza leaves. I'll be adding uziza leaves to this soup, and this is oha. So uziza leaves is very nice in oha soup, so I'll be adding uziza and oha leaves. So like I said, I've washed my meat, I've put it in the pot, a clean pot, and I've chopped the onions and added. So I'm adding the seasoning cube. I'm adding salt. I'm adding little water, and I will cover and apply heat. So this is it. I've cooked this for about 10 minutes. I've added the pomo, the grinded crayfish and pepper, and the smoked fish. So I'll be adding more water. I'll cover and cook for about 25 to 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, I've added the ogiri. This is a very fresh ogiri. Like I said, ogiri gives a nice taste to oha soup. You can never go wrong with ogiri. It's a nice natural flavoring. So I'm adding the palm oil, and I'll cover and leave to boil for another 20 minutes. So after 20 minutes, I'll be stirring this. And I'll be adding the thickener. So the thickener, I dissolved it in water. Like I said, I'm using ofo. You can use cocoyam. You can also use achi. I don't know what you call it in your dialect. So like I said, this thickener is called ofo in Igbo dialect. So I'm using ofo to prepare this oha soup. So after adding it, make sure you stir. We're going to cover and leave it to dissolve completely. So as you guys can see, our soup has thickened and the ofo has dissolved completely. So it depends on how you like the thickness of your soup. You can add water if need be. So I'm adding the isam or periwinkle. I've added little water because it's too thick to my liking. So like I said, it depends on how you love yours. You can decide to add more water or just go with the way you love it. So I'm adding the remaining seasoning cube. And little salt. Cover and leave for about 8 to 10 minutes. So this is it after 10 minutes, guys. Give it a stir. I've added the uziza leaves. So hope you guys are seeing how I tore the leaves into pieces. So that is how to get the uziza leaves and oha leaves ready. So our soup is almost ready, guys. You're going to love this soup. It was so delicious, so delicious, guys. The taste of the uziza took the soup to another level of taste and flavor, and also the ogiri I added to the soup gave it a super duper flavor. It was so delicious, guys. Make sure you try this soup out and you're going to love it. You can decide to use cocoyam as your thickener, like I said. Just go with what works well with you. Our soup is almost ready. We're going to leave it for 2 minutes to boil and we are good to go. Delicious, delicious, guys. You're going to love this recipe. Make sure you try it out and I bet you will love it. Hope you love and enjoy this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and as well subscribe. See you in my next one. Have a lovely day. Bye bye.